Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your QCY Buds ANC. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. And now you can close the case or do not close it. Right now these earbuds are disconnected from your phone. After that you just remove it from the charging case and them will reconnect to your phone. So it can fix this problem, you need to check it. If it didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. And to perform a factory reset, firstly we need to remove these earbuds from the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth. And right here at the device list you need to click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. After that we need to press 5 times at the touch areas on your left and right earbuds, touch areas located at the back side of your earbuds under the LED light. So you just press 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this LED light should start flashing white. And now I have it. Here we go. After that, if you have Android, click Pair New Device, and after factory reset, these earbuds enter to drink mode automatically, so you just tap on it at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!